At some point, you went to work with my dad.
Yes. Well, I married your cousin.
Right.
He wouldn't hire me when I worked for you. Whenever I was married to your cousin, he was your family, so you were off limits. He didn't want no family crap getting mixed up in.
Right.
So when we got divorced, he asked me to come to work. He hired me on.
Okay.
And I tell you, he was good to me. Your dad was really good to me. He taught me so much about being a man, living life, being a good uncle, let me say.
Right.
Not really a father figure, because he didn't get that involved, but he was a good uncle type. He would.
Okay.
You shouldn't do that. You're probably going to do it anyway, but you shouldn't. But his expectations of what I could do is what helped a lot.
Okay.
Your dad was really good to me in that.
Okay.
As far as he put me on adjusting cam followers on a 400 Cummins big cam motor. I don't have any idea what I was doing in there, but told me what to do, and expected me to get it done. Don't fuck my motor up, and he would, don't screw everything up and
turn you loose.
Yeah, here, get it done. And he was awesome though. He just carried himself so high.
Right.
The way he was to be admired. He was
Okay.
a good dude. Like I say, I don't know how everybody else feels about him, but I really like the dude. I admired the dude, and he was great to me. He was great.
Well, you taught me a lot through that era too, so
Yeah,
don't
I
get
think,
it twisted.
I think it kind of, it trickled through, but yeah.